guys, it's Christina Marie here with my first ever GLOSSYBOX unboxing. If you're new to my channel, I do beauty box subscription openings as well as makeup reviews, tutorials, and occasional giveaway. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, it would really mean a lot to me if you were to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. We do give away free beauty products on this channel. For every 1,000 subscribers, you are entered to win a box full of awesome goodies, so stay tuned for that. GLOSSYBOX is a $21 a month beauty subscription box. Usually has about 5 either full-size or deluxe size samples in it, and I can't wait to open my very first box. This box is really sturdy. It's gorgeous. Let's open this top lid off. So here's the inside. How cute is that? And then here's what the box inside looks like. The first thing is this, all sorts of stuff on off. The first thing is this pamphlet here. So let's open this guy up. So it talks about how you can follow them. Glossies. My New Year's resolution is to see my true beauty. 2019 is the perfect year to finally say goodbye to self-doubt and start seeing the beautiful women staring back at you in the mirror. Confidence is contagious, and one of the best ways to feel great about who you are is allowing your radiance to shine. Allow the anti-aging properties of the Advent Skincare Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Verifying Face and Night Cream to take you back to years past. The lightweight moisturizer deeply nourishes, minimizes the pores, and improves fine lines for a visibly younger looking complexion. I'm not going to read the rest of this because I think it talks about what's in here and I kind of want to be surprised. And then in here, it does list all of the items as well as retail prices. So the next thing that we have here, what is this? $100 wine voucher from Naked Wines. So when you, how to spend, you need to purchase something for $160 and then you do get $100 off. And then there is a Discover Skin Tone. Receive a free beauty product worth $145 off your first order. So here is that. And then here's what the box looks like. How cute is this, you guys? And down here it has their little symbol, the sticker kind of sealing it all together here. So let's open this up. This is so cute. I'm just gonna kind of tear open that seal here. There we go. Okay. So here's what the box itself looks like. So the first item here is this Cocoa Star Lemon Slice Mask. It does retail for $5, so that's not bad. It's revolutionary, the concept of sheet mask. Each slice is infused with the nutrients and scent of its namesake fruit. More convenient and effective than using raw fruits and vegetables, slices use eucalyptic trees power to deliver intense yet gentle nourishment to your face and body. Their tip is before applying the mask, cleanse and dry your skin. First, try covering your face with a warm towel to dilate the pores for maximum absorption. I always do that, but just when you do that, little tip, do not put a warm washcloth over your nose and mouth or else it's going to make it really hard to breathe. Don't do that. So, and it looks like instead of just an actual mask itself, it's these individual little slices here. Next we have the Daily Concepts Your Facial Mini Scrubber. So this retails for $5. It's conveniently the right size Daily Concepts mini facial scrubber. It's designed with pockets to slip your fingers in and choose your texture for better control. The innovative textures with micro scrubbers technology and just right for the daily soft washing of an exfoliate wash. Perfect for your face. Your tip is worried about when you need to replace your scrubber. Daily Concepts unique label indicator will fade when you need to replace it. So that's kind of really handy. I usually use a Clarisonic, for my face. And so, but when I travel and stuff, this might be really good to do. Okay, so this one is the Sleek Makeup Highlighter Palette. Retails for $14.99. It's a versatile highlighting palette with 2 baked powders, 1 cream formula, and 1 silky shimmer powder. Sleek makeup, carefully crafted, 5 shades to match every skin tone, intended to be used as either a body or face for highly metallic finishes. Enhance your complexion with a radiant glow. Tip: for added touch of radiance, use a powder brush and apply to shoulders, down the center of your arm, and across your décolletage. So let's open this guy up. So I'm just taking my scissors here and opening up the safety seal. There we go. Come on. I've never used a highlighter that's in, it looks like there's a blue and a green kind of color in here. And so let me know how you guys use those in the comments below. How pretty is this packaging? It's pretty reflective though. So it's kind of hard to see on camera. And here we go. Oh, it does have a nice mirror on it. And then those are your shades. So let's swatch these shades for you. It does have a little, your handy protective clear film. So this is kind of your gold colored here. Let's do it here. So here's the gold. That one's really pretty, I like that. And now let's do kind of this cream. Ooh, this is like, this has to be the, yeah, just your cream formula. I think the rest are all gonna be powders. That one's really soft pink. It's kind of hard to tell. And now let's try this center blue. The center blue is a cream as well. They're all just really soft. So there is the blue. Now let's do the green. The green is a cream too. Yeah, they're all really, really soft. So there's the green. And then your kind of peach color down here at the bottom is going to be a powder. And here is that. How fun. I can't wait to try those out. Okay. I'm just going to take a little makeup remover and wipe those off so I don't get it all over everything else. Okay, so next thing is this Avant Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Verifying Face and Night Cream. It full size as featured. This guy here is $120 for this little guy here. It is only 1.69 fluid ounces. I would never pay that. Glad I got it in a $21 a month box. So what it says is it is an anti-aging moisturizer. The cream deeply nourishes and improves dullness to a younger looking complexion. The power of combination of hyaluronic acid and Amara Aqua and vitamin B3 rejuvenates skin to prevent and reverse signs of aging like crow's feet. Got those. And dark under eye circles. Got those. With glow with a radiance from within. Tip: to keep the product working as effectively as possible, store in a cool, dry place. Be sure to use it within 12 months of opening for best results. How fun. Let me put a little bit on this. I can't wait. $20 for this guy? It better be working miracles. Okay. So I'm just going to put a little tiny bit here. Don't want to be wasting any of this. Just on the back of the hands. And I'm just gonna rub this in here. Does not have a scent. So I think it's one of those things, you you're gonna want to wait and see how it works, you know, long term. I always put extra face moisturizers or masks or anything like that, serums. If I have extra on my hands, I always put it on the back of my hands after putting it on my face, because your hands show the first signs of aging. So, and then lastly here, it does have the Z facial wipes. They're beauty makeup removers, full size, 90 count. So this is just kind of like a deluxe sample size. I don't think that this has 90. Yeah, this only has 10. So 90 count is $12. So perfect for the women on the go. These beauty wipes cleanse and renew without the added need of having to rinse your face or taking your makeup after taking your makeup off. Infused with rose hip essential oil, skin gets a powerful dose of antioxidants and vitamins, leaving you feeling radiant. Tip, be sure to run the beauty wipe along your hairline to ensure the makeup doesn't build up, clogging your pores and giving you undesirable blemishes. So this is really good, something like this. You know, you just kind of peel it up here. Come on. Pop it out, easy for throwing in your makeup bag when you travel. Love that. And then lastly, guys, there's nothing left in the box, and there's one more product on the sheet. There's nothing left in here. So it's supposed to be a different aniline gel and acne treatment, which is here, that retails for $13.99. And I didn't get this in my box. GLOSSYBOX, if you're watching, hook a girl up and send it to me. So what'd you guys think of the box? What was your favorite? What things were you gonna pass on? I think my least favorite is obviously the acne treatment because I didn't get it. But my favorite is, really want to try this guy out. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and you have a beautiful day. Bye.